We have our next seminar coming up. Here we'll unlock the common issues that come up in the design of plumbing and drainage systems, and we'll work through how to develop buildable designs in accordance with the New Zealand Building Code. Our morning sessions will cover clauses G12, water supplies, and our afternoon sessions will cover G13, foul water, and the acceptable solutions and verification methods. You can simply register for one or both sessions. Seminars begin 10th of November at 9 venues across the country. Both sessions will be live streamed on the 25th of November. Be sure to check out our website for more information.